Hello, friends, once again. Welcome here in Parishram and Endeavor. Yesterday, I discussed few words and the roots of the words, how they were formed, but I didn't explain you how to pronounce it. What will be the pronunciation of these words? So, today, it is our effort to tell you the way we are going to pronounce it. What will be the correct pronunciation of these words? Okay, so let us begin and let us start. And if there will be any correction, you may please convey it to me. You will be always welcome. So now we are stepwise moving because yesterday I discussed the roots, but here we have to explain how we are going to pronounce it. Okay, pronunciation is very important. So first word is introvert, introvert, and the second word is extrovert, extrovert, and the third word is ambivert, ambivert. So these three words will be uttered like this: introvert, introvert, extrovert, extrovert, and ambivert, ambivert, ambivert. Okay, so we have to follow like this. Fine, we have to learn step by step. First, the root of these words, how they are being formed, and second, how we have to use and how we have to pronounce it correctly. So correct pronunciation is altogether very important. It is very important, and we must know the correct pronunciation of every word. Fine, so stepwise step we are going to learn step by step in one day. And nothing is possible that we are going to cover everything in one day. No, step by step, step by step, step by step. So first, the root of the words, the meaning of the words, and then after, how we are going to use it, or how we are going to pronounce it correctly. Now we are moving towards, so I think you have corrected it: introvert, introvert, extrovert, extrovert, and now ambivert. So here we are coming: misanthrope, 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 misogynist, misogynist, or we can say misogynist, misogynist, and misogynist. And this is misogynist, misogynist, misogynist. So correct word is the correct word is first is misanthrope, misanthrope, misogynist, misogynist, and misogynist, misogynist, misogynist. So once again, I am repeating it. Once again, I am repeating it: misanthrope, misanthrope, misogynist, 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 misogynist. Okay. So as we know, misanthrope, one who hates mankind; misogynist, one who hates women; and this is misogynist, misogynist, one who hates marriage. Okay, so now I think we are going in a right direction. Okay, so once again I can repeat it so that it should be in a perfect manner, misanthrope, misanthrope, misogynist, 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 misogynist. Okay, so you have to repeat it in the same manner so that it will be in your practice, and sooner or later this practice or this pronunciation will be with you for any time. It will be always with you, right? So misanthrope, misanthrope, misogynist, 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 misogynist. Okay, so now we are moving towards another word, and that is ascetic, 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 ascetic. Another word is ascetic, ascetic. We are moving toward ascetic, 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 ascetic. The correct word is ascetic, and this is asceticism, 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 ascetic, ascetic, and asceticism, 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 ascet, asceticism, asceticism. Okay, the practice. This is the practice. This word asceticism is the practice, and ascetic is adjective. The person is of ascetic nature. Okay, asceticism, 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 asceticism. So now we are now moving towards another word, and that is, you know, dexter, dexter, dexter. So now the next word is dexter, dexter, sinister, sinister, gosh, dexter, sinister, gosh, gosh. The correct pronunciation is dexter, dexter, sinister, and this is gosh, gosh, gosh. And I hope I have explained the meaning of this word dexter. Dexter means right hand. Dexter means right hand. If I am not mistaken, I told you in the last lecture that dexter is right hand. Sinister, sinister is left hand. Gauche is a French word, and it stands for left hand. Sinister is a Latin word, and it stands for left hand. Dexter, sinister, gauche. This is the correct pronunciation of these words. So we have to keep in mind, and we have to speak it loudly. And if we are uttering it loudly, then certainly sooner or later we can pronounce all the words in a correct way, in a correct manner. The gosh person, gosh person, gosh person, gosh person, gosh person. And here gaucherie, 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 gaucherie. Adroitness, 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 adroit, adroit, adroitness, adroitness, adroitness. Adroitness is the opposite of. We can say here Adroitness is the opposite of gaucherie. Adroitness is opposite of gaucherie, right? So in this way we have to go for pronunciation. And in I will repeat the same pattern. First I'll explain the meaning and roots of the word, and then after I would like to explain the correct pronunciation of each word, so that we can conclude it that we will have complete information about any word. Okay. So now ambidextrous, ambidextrous, ambidextrous. The correct word pronunciation is ambidextrous. Ambidexterity, 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 dexterous, dexterous, dexterity, 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 ambidextrous, ambidextrous, ambidexterity, ambidexterity, dexterous, dexterous, dexterity, dexterity. So these are the roots: intro, eschatis, extro, gyne, ambi, andros, meson, centrum, volto, anthropos, and last is gemos. Now if we are moving further, so these are the roots of the word. From these words, all the words we have explained were formed. So these are the roots. If we remember the roots of the word, then certainly sooner or later we can form the new word. So we must keep in mind the roots of the word. And now here finally these are very good words, and this is bigamy, bigamy, bigamy. This is bigamy, bigamy, polygamy, 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 bigamy. So once again I am repeating, this is bigamy, bigamy. This is polygamy, polygamy, polygamy. This is polygyny, polygyny, polygyny. This is polyandry, 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 polyandry. So we have to keep in mind bigamy, polygamy, polygamy, polygyny, 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 and this is polyandry, polyandry. So we pronounce polygamy like polygamy, polygamy. But when we are going for polyandry, 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 polyandry. Thank you very much, and I would like to say this is my sincere effort for you all.